my nightly skincare routine. First, I make sure I take off all of my makeup. My favorite makeup remover is I Am the Balm. Massage it into your face and eye area. It will remove stubborn eye makeup, including waterproof mascara, eyeliner, and eyebrow pencil. Next, you take a nice warm washcloth and gently remove all of that makeup. Next, I use my charcoal facial bar to remove anything left behind. I then use a cotton round and go in with my Claralight facial toner just to cleanse, gently exfoliate, and leave behind a nice moisturizing essence. To depuff and tighten the eye area, I add Powerlight Eye Cream. Next, I go in with my Golden Light Facial Serum, which is full of peptides to help with maturing skin. Lastly, top it off with my favorite Night Light Moisturizing